Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you use this secret prompt to generate DALL-E 3 AI images. So without further ado, let's get right into it guys. So for this one, you have to be sure that you are subscribed to the ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 a month. And let's get right into it. So uh, this website is called metricsmule.com. So all credits to their YouTube channel and their website. So all you need to do is go over here to ChatGPT here and go over to ChatGPT Prompt Genius. And I will also link this website to the channel and the description. So go over to this one and go over to here, Leonardo AI ChatGPT Prompt Generator. So all you need to do here is go ahead and copy and paste this and go over and make sure that GPT-4 is selected. And all you have to do is copy and paste this. So all you need to do here is write the specific subject or theme. So for example, a rich man counting money on a mansion. So for example, and all you have to do is go ahead and input that or whatever you want. So it will create the prompt for you and it will generate high quality prompts for you. And all you need to do here is wait for this to finish, guys. And then all you need to do here is just create me this image. Then all you need to do is go ahead and command it to use the prompt to create your image using DALL-E 3 and just wait for this to finish, guys. So it might take a while depending on the server, and just wait for this to finish. And as you can see, guys, you can also download this if you want over here and there, guys. So if you want to change the format, all you need to do here is uh, say to ChatGPT that you want to change the format to, for example, 16 by 9, and it will also create that format for you. So okay guys, as you can see, it is now generated. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.